Good morning, guys. Good to see you. So hopefully you have taken a look in your Google Classroom, but if not, I want to go over a few things. I've had some questions, and I want to make sure everyone's clear. So this video is just another piece to help you out. So if you go to your feed, the first thing that should come up is the assignments for the week of 4/12. Now there are other things that are helpful. I'll go through these other links here in a second. But the first thing you want to do is you want to click on this, go to the instructions, and you want to look at this document. So this is going to be everything that you need to do for the whole week. Okay. So the first thing is all Zoom meetings. You're going to click on that link. That'll take you to my Zoom meeting if you have one. You need to sign up for 2 time slots. So really, I will accept one as long as you're communicating with me through some other means. Like if you've emailed me once already this week with a question and I've answered it, then you can just sign up for 1 Zoom meeting and I'll be happy with that. You can sign up here, click on this link. It's going to take you to the Google Doc, or the Excel spreadsheet. And there are tabs at the bottom for the different days of the week. You can click on the tab. Today I'm filming on Wednesday, so if you want to sign up for 11:05, you can go ahead and block that off, fill in your name, and you could do multiple people in one block. So you can see I have a few that are going to meet with me today. The next thing you want to do, you want to look at that project, and that's going to be due on Friday. So hopefully you've taken a look at it, but that's here. And you need to dilate an image. The first thing you need to do is you need to get a hold of some paper. If you have graph paper, that's great. If you don't, you can go ahead and just do it on regular paper, but you're going to need to make a nice grid yourself with a straight edge, and you're going to take some time with that. So what you want to do is you want to find an image in your house, and you're going to pick 20 points. So if you see here, they took Mickey, they traced it onto their graph. Okay, so they just laid the image underneath their graph and they looked through it and traced it. And they just need to get 20 points. Now you want to pick points that are easy to identify, like 1, 2, 3, 4. And what you're going to do is you're going to list those 20 points. You're going to label them A, B, C, D, E, F, G, okay, and so on and so forth till this whole thing is full. And then you're going to label what those coordinates are. So this is your original image. So after you've traced it, you go ahead and you fill this in, letters here, and then your XY coordinates. Then you're going to determine your scale factor. So if you look, there are 2 options when you're doing your images. So one, you could start here, and then they started from the center, and then they scaled everything by 2. So they multiplied every coordinate by 2, and then they got this image. And so you can do it on the same piece, or if you want, you can draw your original image and then you can scale it to this. So this could be the original, and then they scaled it here. So they could use 2 different pieces of paper, or if you want to use the same piece of paper, that's fine. And then you're going to tell me what your scale factor is. So as you doubled the image, you tripled it, you halved it, you're going to put your scale factor in here. So that number goes here, and then you're going to go ahead and write A prime, B prime, C prime, D prime, E prime. That's going to go here. That's all your prime points. And then those coordinates are going to go here. So let's say, for example, this was A, and this was 1 and 5. This would be A prime, and if we scaled it by 2, that would be 2 and 10. Okay, so you took your point and you multiplied it by 2 and went over there. So that's the easy way. You're going to be graded for this on the fact that you recorded, okay? The fact that you traced your original image, you dilated your image, and then you get some points for creativity, and whether or not you colored that. The reflection is not that big of a deal. Don't worry about the reflection. I'm really worried about these first 4 blocks. So that was what was up on Monday. On Tuesday, you need to turn in your pages 1 and 2 of the packet. So I have links here. Also, if you go to your assignments and you go to your feed, you can also turn it in here. Okay, so there's your second window to turn it in. Then if we go to Wednesday, I just said attend your meeting if you have one. So that would be the Zoom link at the top, work on your project. Thursday, you have pages 3 and 4 due. So once again, you could click on one of the links for your period, or you go to your feed and you go to pages 3, 4 of the packet, you click that and you go ahead and you turn that in. The last thing is your project, okay, you're either going to turn that in here, or your project is going to be turned in on this link, your assignments for the week of 4/12. And you're going to click on this and you would turn it in through there. That is all. That is everything that you need to know for this week. I hope you guys are doing well. Please contact me. If you're having any issues, schedule a Zoom meeting. I've worked with some people for 30 minutes on Zoom, just trying to help them get situated. Please let me know if you're having problems with internet, if you're going to turn anything late. I can help you. I'm going to work with you. That's my job. Anyway, I hope you guys are doing great. Please come see me. I really want to touch base with all of you every week to make sure you're doing okay, to make sure you're getting the assignments and that everything is going all right. All right, thanks guys. Have a good one. I'll see you soon. And get your stuff turned in Thursday and Friday. Thanks. Bye.